This is feedback from Ajmi on WR1 Week 3 Practice Essay. I wanted to say I think you did a really great job with the intro and many parts of this essay. I think you have a good topic sentence here. I like your advice and your conclusion. Really good stuff. But number one thing you need to focus on is the format. You need to have the format. It looks something like, no, not that. It looks something like, I must have closed it. But look at the practice formatting quiz that we did last week. You need to open that file up and use that. So that needs to change. If you don't know how to do that, go ahead and ask Jumana in your sitting down next to you. She can help you with that. Okay. Your intro, again, I really like your start here. Good progression, but it's short. I think you could have added 2 or 3 more sentences here, talking about more of the causes of smoking. A lot of the stuff that you put in your second paragraph, which is all about causes, could be in your intro, because your essay, as you wrote here, which is a pretty good topic sentence, the effects of smoking. So you need to have not 1 but 2 paragraphs about the effects of smoking. Okay. Your first paragraph is about the effects, how it makes bad health, which is good, and just give some examples here after these 2 points that you make, and give a concluding sentence, which takes your topic sentences and reverses it. Then your second body paragraph you have to completely rewrite, because this is about causes, and this essay should only be about effects. Okay. Very important in your concluding paragraph to reverse the thesis, the first sentence. So you take your thesis sentence and write that backwards. And then I like your suggestions. I like the competition idea. It's a really good idea. Maybe you can show some results here. Like, what would happen if most people started doing this competition? It would be really, competitive. So, a lot of guys would probably be really competitive and want to really do it. So it might attract a lot of people, and, it might really get good results. Say something like that. Okay. So make those changes, re-upload it onto week 4 practice essay.